Hello everyone, this is Manali. Welcome to my channel, Miss Curl. So today I'm going to tell you how to get this glowy, dewy, natural look with using minimum makeup products. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, let's not waste more time and let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I have washed my face. There is nothing on my face, no moisturizer, nothing, no makeup. Okay, so before starting, I just want to tell that I'm a strong believer of skincare rather than makeup. I mean, I do makeup, I like makeup, but I believe on skincare more than makeup. So, to achieve this dewy and glowy look, I will prefer to more depend on serums and moisturizer, and also I'll do the makeup also, don't worry. So, let's start. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so first thing first, I'll moisturize my lips. Most important, I can't live without lip balm. Okay, I have moisturized my lips so that my lipstick will look nice and smooth. Let's come to face. The first thing first I like to use is toner. Any kind of toner you can use, even rose water is a great toner. So I'll take some toner on my palm and just rub it on my skin. As you can see, I have super dry skin. I don't have that like glowy and radiant look. I have some problem areas on my face also, like I have dark circles, I have some marks, pimple marks, and some discoloration around my lip area. So I need to work on those problem areas. Okay, so when it comes to dark circles, I always believe on aloe vera gel. This is my always go-to eye cream. I don't use any classy high-end fancy eye creams. I always use aloe vera gel. So I'll take a small amount of aloe vera gel and rub it under my eye so that my makeup won't look cakey around my eyes. For the dewy and glowy look, I like to use hyaluronic acid. Anything that goes on your face should go to your neck also. And don't worry, I haven't touched the tube to my face for hygiene purpose. I will spread the hyaluronic acid. And most important, do not just pat the serum on your face like this. First you need to spread the serum on your face. Spread it nicely, and anything is like there on your remaining on the on your hands, then only pat it on your skin. Then comes moisturizer. For moisturizing, I use this Pond's moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer which will suit you. If you have oily skin, use any matte kind of moisturizer which will give you the matte look. But since I have dry skin, I use the moisturizer which contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So little bit of moisturizer. As you can see, my skin is already looking little bit glowy. I mean, there is a little bit of glow, as you can see. It wasn't there before. My skin was looking super dry before this. The most important part, sunscreen. Even if in this like pandemic situation, we are more living indoors, we are not going out, still we have to use sunscreen. We all know this. I have applied my sunscreen. Now my face is ready for the makeup. Okay, for the sunscreen I have used Nivea sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen which suits you. So this is the sunscreen I use. Since we are doing the natural look, we are using foundation under eyes instead of concealers. Okay, whenever I go for this natural look, I like to go for the foundation instead of concealers. I don't apply foundation all over my face, only as a concealer, like around my eyes, around my face, on my pimples, everything I use foundation, since it is a natural look. If I'm going for the more glam look, I like to use concealers and foundation and compact and everything. So I'll take just a little bit of foundation. And yes, since I'm from the dry skin type, I like to use this foundation. This is Maybelline's Dream Radiant liquid foundation. If you have dry skin, always go for the liquid foundation. So this is my favorite go-to foundation. This is the best foundation I think for for dry skin. I will apply some foundation. Okay, I like to use my fingers more than sponges, but I will spread it using brush, but for applying I like to use my finger. I will spread everything nicely. Some more foundation on my pimple. Since I have dry skin and we are more looking for the glowy look, I won't use the powder compact all over my face. Just to set my under eye, I will use a little bit of powder. This is the powder I use. This is Maybelline Fit Me. Just a little bit. So that the foundation won't look cakey, and our kajal and eyeliner won't spread. So for that, we'll set our under eye. Okay, I'm not using any primer, because I think moisturizers and serums, they does their job very well. So I don't think we need, I don't need primers. So that's why I'm not using any primer here. The most important thing, if you have a dry skin and you want to look glowy, just avoid using any powdered products. Means yes, I have used some compact to set my under eye, but when it comes to blush or highlighter, just go for the cream blushes or cream highlighters, or some like tinted highlighter, tinted blushes also, like this. This is from Body Shop. So this is the lip and cheek tint, and so this is I use as my blush. I don't use any powdered blush. So this I like to use, and this gives very natural look. So you can use it as on daily basis also. Again, I like to apply some blush on my nose like this, and some on my chin. Okay, can you see how natural it looks and how glowy my face is looking right now? So can you see the glow? Okay, now I'm not using any highlighter today because I'm liking this natural look. Let's do some eyebrows. As you can see, I have very thin eyebrows. This is the eyebrow product I use. This is from Maybelline. Okay, I have so many Maybelline products. I don't know why, but this is the eyebrow gel I use. So I will apply a little bit. I'm not going to give any shape to my eyebrows. I'm just making them look a little bit bigger and brighter. Just going to add some more color in my eyebrows. Since they are super thin. Okay, can you see the difference? This eyebrow and this eyebrow. I've done nothing. This took me literally less than 2 minutes. Okay, so my eyebrows are done now. So now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to use some kajal. I'm not feeling like using eyeliner today, so I will apply some kajal. This is the kajal I use. This is the best kajal ever. If you're a kajal girl and you like your kajals, get this one and you're sorted for the life. Plums. This is the Plums kajal, and this is like a pencil. We have to sharp it and all, but best kajal. This lasts for a whole day. It doesn't smudge and this glides very smoothly. So this is the kajal I have been using past 3 years or something, and I haven't changed my kajal since then. So I will apply some kajal. See how dark this kajal is. I'm not at all applying any pressure. I'm just going very smoothly, and see how dark it is. Is done. It's time for mascara. So this is the mascara I use. This is Kiko Milano's Volume Attraction mascara. I have very thin eyelashes, so I like to use mascara which will volumize my eyelashes. Can you see the difference between two eyes after applying mascara? Okay, my eyes are done. Okay. Since nowadays we are usually wearing masks when we are going out, so we actually don't need lipsticks. We can just go out using by applying our lip balms. But just to complete this look, I'm applying some lipstick. So this is this lipstick I love. This is Revlon's Ultra HD lip color. So this is the color I use. This is the perfect nude for my lips. And to get the natural look with this lipstick, I will show you how to apply this lipstick. So this is a liquid lipstick. I will put some dots on my lips like this and spread it using my fingers and tap it. Just a little bit more. So this is the look. So this is my final look. As you can see, there is nice glow on my face without using any highlighter. The makeup is not overpowering, and overall my face look very natural. So if you really like this look, please like to my video, subscribe to my channel and also comment. Till then, see you soon. Bye.